The hell? Hey guys, so I am trying to teach myself some Adobe Premiere skills. I'm going to basically tell myself how to do this video if I forget how to make my screen shake. And I might as well share it with everyone too, just in case you were looking for a quick guide on how to do this. Anyways, start from a new clip, just whatever you want to make shake. So I'm just going to pick something out of my timeline. Oops. To copy, you hold Alt and you hit left click to move and drag off the cutted video. So what you want to do is click on the video you want to make the screen shake. You go to position, you click on motion, which grabs your video up top of the video, your copy video. You move it a little bit down to the left, which makes a keyframe. You click on your keyframes, you move your arrow keys 1, 2 frames. Let's zoom it out so you can see 2 frames. Then you move it somewhere else. You do that again, 2 frames, move it somewhere else, 2 frames, move it somewhere else, and you just keep doing this, really, until you finish the whole clip. So I do basically a few of them, and then what I do is copy paste. You can either make it more realistic how you want it, or you can just copy paste. So what you do now is grab the whole thing, CTRL+C on your keyboard, move your timeline a little forward, hit paste, go all the way to the front, hit paste again, zoom out, paste, paste, zoom out, until you're all the way to the end. And if you really want to, you can go in and edit some of these. So click on the thing, hold Alt, copy it, and you can move them over. Move over the same one over a little more to get more variation if you want. So I'm just going to cover up the holes real quick. Let's see. So we go back to the start of the clip, and it shows the screen shake. It's ridiculous. To make it a little smoother, you can go to your effects. You can add the edge. Just type in edge, and you go down to edge feather. Put that on your new clip. And also, if you want to make it look a little smoother when it comes in, you can add. So sure, cross dissolve works too. So you add that on both sides. And to get your video in full screen, you click on the program, so it's highlighted with the blue. You hit the tilla, and then you play it. It's ridiculous. Look at that screen shake. And that is the basics on how you get your screen to shake. And here's the probably better one. What the hell? So that's how it works. Very simple. I guess talking to myself in the future, the crossfade is to make it look smoother as it first plays. As you can see, watch my face. It's ridiculous. That's my guide on telling myself on how to do earthquake / screen shake in Adobe Premiere.